Now we're going around and Trusty to see if him there. Now this is a white tar. Where the bullet them fall. So when you're down here south, there's nobody to call. This is a white hall. Breadfruit tree. Yeah! Trusty! I'm in name him now. I will frame them now. A Jamaica Good Life, not a club life. Just a Trusty, that man. You see that car there, sir? That's the original Jamaica Good Life car from 2018, you know. So that's the... This man is the manager. That car that we start with. So this whole movement is like that of the Bob Marley car. A legendary car that. You know much people get help from that program now. Like I say, we Trusty there. Jason, a long time. I white listen, brother. And a pretty place you there, brother. Yes, so start. You see that place where you're there right now? Yes, so start the program. And I get a $200 a month me play to start the program. People don't understand, say, soldier there every day. I look for bad man. I'm right here, so I start. The roots of them over there so make nice. With the palm bed, I get bed bite. Me, Trusty and Nadisha and the one of them. So I try to find the original crew them, man. So right over the yard there, that's the original Jamaica Good Life house. Rented $200 a month because we are going with King Trusty. Poking at their yard.
Let's take them back.
Hello? Hello?
I hear.
Well, go on, big man, you hear me? You hear me?
I'm not talking.
You hear me? Yo, me there your yard, you know, Trusty. Me there your yard. Where you there?
Huh?
Me there your yard. I'm at Good Life. This right just so. You see that car, yeah? You see everybody will get house built for them. Everybody will benefit from the program, yeah? This here so the museum car. This is Randy, not a star. Not a breadfruit tree. That a car. This here so. This. I like the Bob Marley car. See that car, yeah? Enough people know that car, yeah? So the program starts. Trusty are the boss. And then you have Pokey, Nick and Nadisha. But this a car so. A legendary car. Would I love to buy it from him and fix it up. You see me? No joke. I'll go see if I can buy it from him. Stop recording.
Hey, yo, watch it now. Watch it now, yo.
People see him there. You see that?
Blessing.
You see some people see them hug you.
Yeah,
you know why?
Yeah.
You know why them hug you? Because them know.
Yeah, man.
See the grandfather, I see the foundation, yeah. Everything will happen for on out the road, make we show them the car.
The first guy.
Love you.
All right.
See this is Jason. Meet the king. This is the king.
No, me, boy, regular, man.
All right.
The first person him ever really meet and smile, you know. You know, laugh.
Use you again still, you see
How
me?
much you sell me the car for?
Sure.
Man, buy it, you know. Man, buy it and bring it to Manchester.
And do everything.
For the museum.
Alright.
Now me ask you, why need for drive?
Engine now start.
Why not start?
I don't know.
A starter.
No, man, it's starting on the start. That's some electrical thing. Yeah, some electrical problem here.
People, tell them what that car mean. Tell them.
Hey, that carries a lot, man. That carry worth a lot, you see me, because the first ship we make up the place in there again, the Manchester.
Yeah, Norway.
Norway.
This a legend. This is like the Bob Marley vehicle.
That's it. Yeah, man.
The car, everybody will get help. House bill.
Yeah.
Everybody will, and them know who them is. Them know who them is, and they know who you is.
Yeah, man.
Take your time, give them the number again, so them.
Alright, the number I'm using now is 876 5 5370785.
What that mean, this is the guy. If we don't get a house through Jamaica Good Life and anybody will get help, it's because of me and him.
Yeah.
It's because of me and him make probably over 200 people get support in Jamaica. This man. So I'm going to him number. Thank you. 2025. So anybody will have see other programs, see him there. And him for getting flowers, comment on this video. This is the car, just like a Bob Marley car. We start a movement, and him, we call him Trusty, and me and Trusty, really, and me and Trusty start it. And me and Trusty start this thing. And Soji, me and you and Soji. Nadisha, then Nick.
Yeah, and Nick gone to him.
And a Nick innocent, everybody will get help thanks to Soji. And Nick know, anybody will get help when you come back to foundation and give thanks for him. Foundation is something on the walk on. You know, the house I look up. But you see this?
That's a foundation.
We are foundation. Pay on the respects and know where I come from. Know what I do. Know on yourself. And enough people watch this video and say, Chad, no, how come Randy not there every day with Trusty? No!
Yeah, man, that's how the movement's going on. I say movement's going to keep moving, you know? Yeah, man, but the love still there, you see me?
Every time I forward around here, so I see me there.
Yeah, man.
I'll make it sure we did it. So people see there, and enough people get house, chicken coop, birth certificate. People get barrel shoes.
All of them start from Jamaica Good Life.
And you are Jamaica Good Life, grandfather.
Jamaica Good Life, straight up.
Godfather.
Yes, man, straight up.
No joke. You see? This man, a founding father. So what you say? The root of your strength when you are drive the car and we are do road.
Yeah, man.
Because of you and me. Yeah. So you see, when you no run gone, sun gone. One of must remember said dirt and foundation are where we get food from. Yes, sir. So me I say this strong and proud and loud. Know on yourself. Know on yourself. Know on yourself. Know on yourself. Big up to Nadisha, Pokey, Nick, Kino. Know on yourself. Soji. But people, see it here. I just want to pass through.
Yeah, man.
Give them your number again so them can refresh them head.
876-537-0785.
Yeah, what? So I say I can bring a mechanic. So we can buy a starter feet.
I don't start that one on there. I don't start that one. No, I don't start that one. It's an electrical problem here. I'm on tell me yesterday, so I'm going to take it off from me if I want parts out there. So I'm telling you, so I was going with it.
Take it from you, buy it from you?
Yeah, man, the moment I think. I'm telling you, going with it.
Off it, the time. But at least me capture it.
And I make no sense to stay in the yard. If I stay in the yard, I cut up here and send it to scrap metal.
But this boy, I saw we do it.
Yeah, man. As me say, the one that I drive now,
I love it.
work-wise,
real trust
it's
it.
better for me than this. Now you shall say the next half hour time. Next half hour now.
Yeah.
A pint that come down. Shall be by tax come pick up a pint.
Yeah.
Bring her down.
Shall I go there over our yard?
Yeah, man.
Alright, I go to the beach and you go stay here, sir?
No, but just call me, man. But check me, let me know,
Treat the people.
Hey, yo.
So trust there. We could go back around at the house. Who there at the house now? Nadisha there at the house? I know, but our house we did.
No, man, she know.
No, that house here we did stay.
That's when we just start.
Yeah.
We can't go back there.
No, me just a check.
No, we can't go back there. It's selling up.
Alright, people. Palm Avenue is the history for Jamaica Good Life. We start the program. This is the foundation place, 2018. Yeah, so we start. Nick know about this. Everything come from here, sir. Palm Avenue history, yeah. Foundation, man. So we just pass through. Where she live?
Oh, Nadisha, round Pana side. Not around there, man. Not around the house.
But you gonna stay home?
Mr. a busy man.
You know, so
me really stay same place that you know.
oh man, make go wait.
Not me say me stay. Now we can go and let's say give away for now. But taxi my chef and come to.
Alright, bring me to her.
Yeah man. We will talk about.
Alright, people. This is Jamaica Good Life. See the man here. Wow, look at this. I didn't build this.
No, man, if you like that, you must set out there, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, out there, man.
Yes, I. Wow. Just like that. Alright, Robert. I'm going to check on this now. Go wait for now. Take something out of the fridge. Say that again.
In life, while I was growing up, I always hear them say, don't forget where you're coming from. That simply means that anywhere in the world you reach, remember we should just start from. So anybody want to reach up in their life and forget where they come from, you got to help them. Yeah.
If you not give thanks to the foundation.
Alright.
No fall out the road, you know.
Yeah, man.
No fall out there, you know. And if you not give thanks to the foundation, how the whole them going to cover up?
Alright.
You see me? At them time in 2025, we have to make them know straight. No joke. If you don't give thanks to the foundation and have respect, no fall out the road, you might break your foot. That's how it works.
Yeah, man.
Because the hard work what we put in.
And that we have.
Fit everybody.
Yeah.
And we do it because of the goodness of our heart. But at the same time, when I see what going on in the world and everybody, the crowd that moves certain way, I step back and I look. And I say, want them to when me they have $40 and you put the money in the car and that take me to the airport and back.
Alright, nobody know that.
Them don't know. Them don't know when we don't have no food to eat. Them don't know when car broke down. How much time the car broke down?
That's what I mean.
You see?
People know that, but I mean, you know, I'll be saying, a lot of people just look where they're going.
Yeah.
They're not looking back to say why they come from nothing. I mean, just maybe show respect where they come from.
Because you can't smile too long, you know.
No.
Just as say, like said, nobody never do nothing for you.
As I said down around there, the publicity me get is through Jamaica Good Life. So I can't forget Jamaica Good Life. You understand?
And people don't know say I'm a lifesaver is myself to do it.
No, they don't know that.
Them don't know say I actually did it because I know what was gonna happen.
Right,
Once you start something with love, it must end up.
That, you know?
It must continue with love.
Yeah,
So everybody I get charity and them in a love and them a community and a hug and I meet people over the world. Them don't know where the love come from. And man, we just think say, I gotta do this, you know. And them give, so who God did use? So Jamaica Good Life never give them nothing. We never show nobody no love. We never spend no one money.
No.
We never, oh wow, so we never do nothing. I just Jesus and God. We not do nothing.
No.
I just Jesus then give thanks to. Our lady where we get the hearing aid for she say. I only she make give thanks so she give thanks, you know. She 100 now. And then people that may hang around Trusty.
Which is right.
Right? And she said, I'm the only person who make me feel good in a genuine way. She said, if I know run, it is Randy. Before them said Jesus or God, you know, they must talk about the people where God worked through. You can't just skip over man. Then how the man did get inspired. That is why I don't like about them. I see them when they give thanks to everybody, you know. I mean, I look for my name, I mean, I look for your name, but I say, too. You see them? And that's why we do that video here. I know bad blood.
All you need to do, you just say, boy, give thanks to Jamaica Good Life. You have it done. You have calling them done. Because at Jamaica Good Life, make me can do this.
So everybody run up and down and I just talk about glory. They must know the story. See there? This vehicle, yes, sir, and your vehicle make enough people now happy. Kids. So we're going to just release it because sometime in a life, man, we say them never know. But in the film, man must know So give thanks to you, my brother.
Yeah,
Me
man.
appreciate you.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna wait for Nadisha. Stop recording. See him there smile. And there's a Jamaica Good Life First Lady.
Yeah,
Look for Look for him. Look for him.
Morning.
Yeah, man. That's the girl Nadisha, Jamaica Good Life P.
Touch
You
Jason.
see me? Yeah.
You smell good. You still a beard.
Mr. Abid.
Always a beard.
I'm the only one away. We're always beard.
Always beard.
You never beard
With who?
much. Me never beard
Beard
much.
no good. Beard no good.
Open the gate,
man.
make we look at the fridge.
Look what I was.
I'm so happy. I sleep on the floor. Hey, tell Bunny for go away about
Yeah,
them
man.
business. Yeah, that was nice. Chain turned up on the grill. And everybody have paid on the grill. Trusty come and look at read the yard. Yes.
Randy.
Upstairs.
Randy, I can't thief was there, thief crown of man. 6 crown of water. Crown of ton.
Where's the Randy though? Talk again.
A thief flowers.
No, you're really serious on that tea flowers?
Yes.
No, Randy's have go worldwide, you know.
No man, Jamaican boy right there say if you want flowers to catch you have a thief.
That's true. That's true. That's true. That's true.
Look for Nadisha house. Ladies.
To the rum queen pan table.
Ladies,
Absolute bad
Nadisha
car.
house.
Real rumhead.
Hold the camera good.
Come in the house.
If you want someone
Come
to
in
sleep
the
on a
house.
couch,
No, sleep on no couch.
you don't want no man to come.
No, I don't want nobody around
You
me.
don't want nobody around
No.
you. There's a 2-bedroom here. We are trying to play the style. One who can't sleep in there, so
Me
come
like
look
this
on the
place.
place. Look, see my bed here. Hey, Trusty, sit here. Give me the camera.
Yes, sir. You better come.
Hey, change the sheet. Me don't want a pink sheet in my room. Because me know say you and Bunny, they over here, sir.
Bunny, I'm not ready to go around then go. Bunny love me.
See, we exploit people place. Washing machine in the house. Make we see why in the freezer.
What are you washing?
Hey, now we can drink a red stripe. Yes. Make me tea for pepper, cause me have to tea something. Walking on people here, me tea for pepper. Me love your house. Me love the energy.
Oh. Yeah.
This are real flowers?
No, artificial.
So how you been? Talk to your
Yeah,
friends.
fine.
How's everything?
I am going on.
Who
got thanks a
who
lot.
still talk to you?
Trusty.
The only person
him.
at Jamaica Good Life First Lady looking pretty. The man then he love him, you see.
Trusty.
The man then he love him. I know.
I know them to love him.
Hey, Bunny have a fight over him.
Lord Jesus.
A Senti. Thank you for being such a friend.
I saw it going.
Always be.
I saw it.
How's your health?
Not bad. Not bad.
But you're strong, man.
I do the necessary precautions and I do what I can do.
Them know you. I'm not link her up.
So go girl.
So me want to take a picture with you now. When I come. Me have to stay in a video with you. Jason, just hold the camera for me, please. Your phone can take a picture, Jason. My phone done. Alright, no send up. Just hold this. Yes, sir.
Come down there, go name it.
Jason, hold it and just use that one here. Brother, this is legendary.
Good on more.
2024.
When I go down more, because the sun in the background now go show on there. So. Unless you don't want to turn up yourself, I go down from the back and try if you show better for flowers. Yeah, this look more like a liquor lady sitting on her face. Look,
Guys, one very
I'm not ready for it, and I have to make sure I take a lady face first. I'm not using the Hold on.
Your fight, make it from.
Put her on the back one, yeah, put it on. Come on, let's put her on.
This is the foundation. Tell them how we started just quickly.
Trusty, I have to ask that. Trusty introduced me to you.
Okay,
From Cheese Negril
it
Villa.
all started at Travelers Beach Resort in Negril. That's where I met Randy first. And then the morning, I take him to Nadisha's house.
So
yeah.
people,
Alright.
these are the foundation.
Yeah, man. All three of us originally is the foundation of Jamaica Good Life.
And
And it started at Palm Avenue in Whitehall, Negril.
yes.
That's
and
the foundation house
Soji
where it all started. And
was
Soji was before me, of course. That was
and
Soji
then
who
Pokey
introduced
was
me to
with-
one day. And
Pokey was before you.
somewhere- yeah, right.
A Pokey first me meet. Then Soji.
Then Soji.
Or Soji then Pokey.
No, I think Pokey first said to me.
Yeah.
And then Soji.
So Pokey had foundation and Soji. Then Adisha, then Nick.
Yeah, man. So I saw
But it was started in 2002 though. Was still
2002? I see it go.
Jamaica.com. Then we renamed it to Jamaica Good Life in 2018.
Okay.
And then you have Jason and other people came along. So everybody will get support because of this lady. We get a room for $200 a month for our place. And because of him, introduced me to her.
Yeah, man.
That's when we get the
Same,
place for stay to start
Yeah,
the
man.
program.
Same way, sir.
And then
Same,
when
same.
Nick come in and we start cook and everything. And I did love them did say.
Yeah,
Between we.
yeah.
Them did that question, how come that man here come from foreign and them so happy? So we give out them numbers and everybody start calling everybody, then the gossip start.
And then the bad man chip in.
Oh Lord. Because they love what we did last year, everybody
that's
at
it,
foreign
come
did want it.
I say, come on.
So them start tell pokey things against me and then when some people start saying money now, you see Jason.
Yeah.
So them did come for rob, poison, take we name down.
We're still stand.
Still stand.
Still stand. Yeah.
For those who know how the story go, so yeah.
No, you see, the thing is, you know, anything at all, God is in it. Nobody can be against it. You understand me? I say,
When
when
do-
I say God will good. Yeah, man. I say it, come on.
You know, easy when you do something that's good. Jamaica Good Life. And sometimes them a think some are thief. But how me I do? And nobody could have go on YouTube or TikTok or something. Because if nothing was wrong, people wouldn't say something.
Yeah, man.
Of course.
Yeah, man. That's scandal.
And
man.
then get the internet to bring you down.
What's up, God? You know, so much people in the internet not bring down. You know, realize so much people in
And
the
they want
internet
to bring you
down.
down and so they ain't go.
But guess what? Them
Internet good and the bad. No?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So
Yeah,
just
yeah.
you know which one you plan to put out money.
Right.
Well, this is
right,
Jamaica Good Life. We did the best we can. Thank you, Nadisha.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Trusty.
Yeah, man.
It's an
Anytime.
honor.
A blessing.
We know that they're on earth as human beings and we help a lot of people.
Yeah, man.
And we did it and we're still standing, strong and healthy and wealthy.
Yeah, man.
When I go come at the house soon, when I have my house opening, a 4 house we have all over Jamaica now. We're
Yeah.
so good, then just build room for me. Talk.
Yeah, man.
Come.
I say it, come on. I say it, come on.
Stop recording.